let's find ourselves a new project. How to draw almost every day. Okay, I have this book. It's an illustrated sketchbook type where the author shows you some simple cartoon drawings of everyday items, places, people. He made them really simple and they were easy to redraw step by step. Because of organizing my summer with a lot of vacation time, I knew that this project would come up at the end of September. I tried to capture my summer holidays with that book, and that's why I started on the 19th of August when we drove to the vacation. The process is really simple. It's really a great step-by-step book. I was consistent with my drawings. I had a lot of fun with them. I was drawing with my iPad and my Apple Pencil on Procreate. Worked really fine. I enjoyed the whole process. If you have the time and energy to do this every day, it's perfect. It makes a lot of fun. I'm not that consistent, so I only have 6 days to show you, but I enjoyed the book. I hope you like this video. It's just a short one. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye!